Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best meal prep containers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. MMCIRCO 5-pack, 36 ounces. Glass meal prep containers, 3-compartment with lids, lunch/bento box, BPA-free, microwave, oven, freezer, dishwasher, 4.5 cups. High-quality borosilicate glass. Our glass storage containers are made from high-quality borosilicate glass, which is stronger than cheaper glass food storage containers. Safely go straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven to the table. Portion Control FEATURE. The portion control feature of the divided glass lunch containers allows you to regain control over your meals. The 2 compartments glass containers make it easy to organize your meals and keep your diet plan. Airtight SMRT locking LIDs. MMCIRCO glass food storage containers use snap lock lids that comes with silicone seals to ensure your meal prep food will last much longer than normal plastic food storage containers. These lids are easy to use and will stop leaking. These lids will not break or slowly stop working. Number 4. Bento Prep 3-compartment meal prep containers with custom fit lids. Microwavable, durable, reusable, BPA-free. Freezer and dishwasher safe food storage containers. 10 trays and 10 lids silver. Meal pre-heat made easy. Trays and lids nest together, stack neatly, and are microwavable to make meal prep a breeze. Portion perfect heat. No need to measure your portions. Volume is already embossed on the tray. Seals in freshness. Custom fit lids keep meals fresh during refrigeration, freezing, and when taking meals on the go. Purchase with a purpose. Bento continues to be a proud supporter of Feed the Children, a 501(c)(3) nonprofit that gives hope and resources for hungry children and families. Since 2017, Bento has donated more than $300,000 to help put an end to hunger. What you eat: 10 3-compartment trays, 10 custom-fit lids, meal prep ebook, and caring customer support. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Smart Seal 12-piece glass container set clear. Set includes 2 4 ounces rectangle, 2 1-cup round, 1.6 cup rectangle, 3.5 cup rectangle glass containers. 4 locking tabs secure the foolproof, leak-proof lids. Durable borosilicate glass containers designed to go from freezer to oven. Smart Seal glass containers nest and stack for convenient and compact storage. Lids are interchangeable between the same size glass and plastic Smart Seal containers, and removable silicone seal is easy to clean. Oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Borosilicate glass is naturally BPA-free and stain-proof. From taking meals on the go to storing them for later, OXO Good Grip Smart Seal glass airtight food storage containers are the smart way to keep food fresh. 4 locking tabs and a removable silicone gasket work together to create a truly spill-proof seal, for no leaks and no worries. Number 2. Rubbermaid Take-Alongs Twist and Seal Food Storage Containers. 2 cup, 3 count. Rubbermaid Take-Alongs Twist and Seal Food Storage Containers. Set of 3, 2 cup, chili. FG7J0000THIL. Twist tight. Leak-proof seal makes these containers ideal for storing liquids and snacks, or taking items on the go. Cereal bowl design is easier to eat from. The handles stay cool when food is hot. Microwave and freezer safe. Dishwasher safe, in top rack only. Made in the USA for nearly 80 years, Rubbermaid has represented innovative, high-quality products that help simplify life. Recognized as a brand of the century for its impact on the American way of life. Twist tight, leak-proof seal makes these containers ideal for storing liquids and snacks, or taking items on the go. Cereal bowl design is easier to eat from. The handles stay cool when food is hot. Microwave and freezer safe. Dishwasher safe, in top rack only. Made in the USA. Number 1. DAW MP Porter Lunchbox 3-compartment bento box style portable adult lunchbox with snap strap. Food container, BPA-free, dishwasher, and microwave safe. Blush, medium. Bento-inspired style. The stylish bento box design features 3 separate compartments. The large bowl and stackable tray keep food crisp, fresh, and separate for the ultimate to-go meal. Easy to carry. Made with a silicone snap strap for easy portability, this lightweight, durable box fits neatly in bags and purses, making it the ideal companion for everything from weekday commutes to summer picnics. Premium materials. This BPA-free bento box is completely food safe, making it ideal for daily use. Perfect portions. 3 separate compartments make it easy to pack a healthy, balanced lunch with enough space for sandwiches, salads, fruits, veggies, or snacks. Large tape-city. 4-cup bowl is perfect for large salads and grain bowls, while the 2-cup removable tray holds chips, sandwiches, or fruit.